My people, this is Sokoto. I've been in this town for since 2 days now. Today is the 23rd day of November. I came to see Nnamdi Kanu. I have been with him since yesterday, so we have been discussing. So he's in Sokoto Correctional Center here. And what we are asking now is this. Somebody whose appeal is in Abuja, and they're putting him in Sokoto. And if you want to file some processes, would the federal government made a private jet available for him to take him to Abuja? After filing his process, we'll take him back. So that is another issue that is giving us concern, because the place of jurisdiction where he's going to do his appeal is in Abuja, and it's on record that all the filings that has been doing, he has been doing it by himself in Court of Appeal Abuja Division. So there are some things that he needed to file there, including affidavit. He cannot do it. Everybody is frustrated. Everybody, we are handicapped. So we are now looking for the next line of action on what to do. But meanwhile, at least for the first time, at least I have seen him. He's in to confirm that he's in a Sokoto prison here. So I will be leaving to Abuja now. Then thereafter, I'll keep you people updated. Thanks and God bless you. Well done.
No be only private jet na space shuttle. We will tell Elon Musk to give us one space shuttle that they will use to shuttle him from Sokoto to Abuja. First, we have Court of Appeal in Sokoto. If you people cannot facilitate those documents going to the Ekperima there in Sokoto, the newly convicted international terrorist Nnamdi Kanu, if you cannot send her the document there to sign and they can't file it for him here, forget it. He needs to give someone the power of attorney to do those things, or alternatively, the federal government should direct the CJ, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, to take over that case, transfer the file to Sokoto. So if he wants to be moving 10 times a day in that place, one day, those are all the people where they buy their people. You don't know how many way from Sokoto. If they catch them for road there, may they buy them. And I think say we will come today, this come today, come tomorrow. This Wakadugwe they do for this Abuja na lie. Transfer the file to the Court of Appeal in Sokoto, and whether the case is Court of Appeal in Abuja or in Sokoto, but I would prefer Sokoto since you people say he is filing it himself. Take it to Sokoto and let us see what is happening in that case from day one. It's not only the judgment, they should be showing us this in live. Showing that Nnamdi Kanu's judgment live saved us a lot of headache from propaganda. So let them take him to Sokoto, and those people, when they are beginning the whole process, it should be on video. Give us live coverage of that appeal. It will be very fast. And the Prosecutor General should please demand that capital punishment. We are not comfortable with this life imprisonment. How come Justice James Omotosho read a watertight, airtight judgment, and now you're quoting the Bible, mercy? How about Ezekiel 18:20 that says the soul that sinneth shall die? Yes, since we are now quoting the Bible, Ezekiel 18:20, the soul that sinneth shall die. So at the Court of Appeal, let them argue that the reason for not giving the pie sentence is not right, and telling us that we are signatory to whatever body, whatever we are signing there will never supersede our constitution. The constitution is the supreme law of the land. So under our constitution, it is clearly stated that this guy is supposed to get the pie sentence. There is no reason to give them an olive branch. Look at what they've been doing since then, and they don't buy new army guy far back. For that one alone, We will supply the video to the FG. All the relevant agencies, we will supply the video to them. Let them see it that since then that they've been buying more soldiers. So there is no reason to not put that price sentence on him. As for those of you that are going to Sokoto people, more than no fall around though. Abuja people too fall around. All this nonsense visits. No be everything I go to tell on her. All this nonsense visit, if you know wetin dem go do your people for Southeast, if they catch you, some of these people now go consider to dey look into their matter. Please, you know what I mean. No be everything we go to talk for social media. Deal with these people and save us the stress. Thank you.